welcome to today's episode. We are at this beautiful nature reserve with this amazing river. A new episode in this adventure challenge series where I go out once a week outdoors in nature to try to stay more active and adventurous and make this life more fulfilled, even though it's winter and it's dark and I just want to be inside all the time. So this is episode 3, new location, new mission, and I have a special guest with me today. Come! It's my daughter Iris. She's 2 years old and she's coming with me today for today's adventure. We are in a nature reserve and it has this like cool waterfall river thing going on. So we're gonna go and check that out, and then we're gonna collect some things that we find and make some decoration for home for Christmas. That's today's mission. You ready? Yes! Vamos! It is absolutely beautiful here. And I picked this place because I have only been here once in the summer many years ago, so I thought it would be cool to bring Iris here. But this path is actually a little bit more treacherous than I thought. I mean, she's doing all right, but the whole path is like pivoted slightly towards the river, and because of the fallen leaves there is a lot of hidden rocks and roots, so she stumbled quite a few times and we have to be careful. But again, if that's not an adventure, I don't know what is. I want her to be adventurous and brave as well. Like, I want her to grow up feeling she's capable of doing things and being out in nature. So it's nice to be able to give this to her. Is it just me who gets like major Dirty Dancing vibes whenever I see a fallen tree over a river? You just kind of want to go out there and try to pull some moves. Come, this one is a bit tricky, my darling. Yeah, it's very narrow, so you have to be careful. You think there's any fish in here? No, I don't think so either. No fish. Yeah, I'm gonna have to help you. All right, hold on. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Wonder what that has been. Some sort of tube, maybe? Why would they make a tube out of wood in the forest, in the wet forest? Seems dumb. I'm sure you can read about it. I also just came across this sign that says blue trail, red trail. And I feel like I should have looked up what the trail signs mean, because to me this is just colors. And they go in opposite directions, so yeah. Which color do you want, Iris? No. No? Okay. I guess Iris picked red. Let's do red. I have a little tired lady here now, so we're gonna have a little snack break. I feel like whenever I've gone out and to do something in the woods, I literally just wait for... You wanna sit on this? Up and down. I literally, as soon as I get out into nature, I just like wait for the moment that we can start eating stuff that we brought. All right, we have an assortment of digestives and ginger cookies. Want this?
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. So easy to forget to drink water when it's cold outside. Skål! almost still warm. I'm very surprised. I don't think she watches these videos, so I can tell you this is my mom's thermos. I stole it. And it's her spoon fork. Cool. That is so good. In my defense, I bought this for her. It was still in the package, but I might have to return it now that I've said this. Do you not want any? I'm gonna try something. Banana and gingerbread, ginger cookie. Could be good.
No more. No more.
More? Good girl.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. It's good you sign for things, so we understand. It was, not that good. I feel like if I eat banana and ginger cookie at the same time, it's something healthy or something not healthy, and it's like even itself out. Hey, Malt. I know you love banana. So I said we were gonna do a little arts and crafts project. I want to make a lantern with like leaves and twigs and maybe acorns if we find them, and you glue it onto like a jar and make a little window, and it looks like a little like foresty elf's house, but it's a lantern because you can put a light in it. I really want to try to make that with Iris. I think she would really enjoy it. I saw some oak leaves earlier, like really red ones, and I think they're really cute. So let's find some more. I'm gonna start collecting some leaves because here's some really cute ones. Yeah, like these ones. Imagine making these into a lantern. Cute. Look. You gonna put it in here? Oh, you like those? Nice. We gotta look a little bit for nice ones. Not just fistfuls of leaves. Thank you. Oh yeah, you like those? Let's take those too. This is the kind of koya I should have built when I was out the last 2 times and tried to make a shelter. Koya is, by the way, the word for like a fort, I guess. It's a fort! Why didn't I think of this? Alright, next time I go out in the wild and want to make campfire and shelter, I'm gonna do this. Come! Just find like big branches, put over a tree or a fallen tree or whatever. What? I know. And then imagine if you just put like branches of pine or something over and make a little hole, and then you can have the fire in here. Ah! That'd be so cozy! I'm so tempted to stay here and improve this fort. But we gotta get moving. You're right, Iris, that stick was worth turning back for.
No,
It's a good stick. Boom boom ba, boom 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 ba, boom boom ba, boom 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 ba. Papa will be so proud if he sees that you're drumming.
now what's the stick?
Yeah, it's a stick. A drumstick, maybe. Well, Iris is playing stick over there. Whatever that game is. It's either drumming or she's fixing something. It's very unclear. I'm gonna collect some more leaves and things, I think. What is it? I wasn't going without you. I'm looking for pretty leaves. Pretty. One for Molly. Good girl, Iris. No one says good girl to me as much as Iris does. And apparently Papa, he's good girl boy. Come back around to the river, so we gotta cross it again. What a walk! She did so good. It was so nice. It's a bit slippery, but it was okay. Managed to cross the river a couple of times. Now we're gonna go home and get warm and then do some arts and crafts. Yay!